How to verify your identity on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. In order to verify your ID on Coinbase, all you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, launch to your Coinbase account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, click the try bar icon or the icon located in the top left hand side corner. As you click on it, it's going to take you to the Coinbase info page or the menu page. Over here, tap your profile icon. Once you are on the account info page, over here you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as limits and features. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see either you want to verify your personal information or verify your ID. You can do both of these if you tap on it. Now, due to some security concerns, I won't be able to show some of the features. I'm just going to instruct you. So just tap on verify personal information, and that's going to take you to the other interface where you can actually provide in your personal information. That is your name, your address, your contact information, and all that. Once you've done with that procedure, now skipping to this part, along with that, the most important one is you have to provide in your social security number. And if you want to verify your identity, then you have to tap on verify photo ID, which means you have to go ahead and upload your ID and click the continue button, and that's basically how you can verify ID on Coinbase. So in that way you can verify your ID. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.